in this video I'm going to teach you how to paint a diya. For this craft we would require the following stuff: the diya, paints, Swarovski crystals and some paint brushes. So let's start. Since Diwali is around the corner, I'm sure you all are very excited to do something creative this year. So we are taking this Diwali. I hope you have received this diya. I hope it's very beautiful diya. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color it red and yellow. I think it's going to be looking very vibrant. So let's give us a base coat. Let's start with red. So I think the paint is of good consistency. So we will just take the paint directly and start painting. We don't need to add water as such. So I'm just painting the red color first on this. Diwali is a very auspicious festival, so bright colors are always used in red, yellow, blue, orange, green. So this craft we're just adding up a little more colors. We need to give 2 coat of paint on this diya to give it a right consistency and look. So you can see I'm just painting this right, red, yeah. Let me paint the other leaf. Again I'm painting this red. Just make sure it does not go out because we're going to use other colors also. And finish it with adding some Swarovskis to it. Half of my flower is almost done, so I'm going with the third leaf now. If you think your paint is the brush is not moving properly, you can add a bit of paint, but don't really add too much of water to the paint. Now I think it's looking up and forming in the shape. So you can see I'm done with the red color. It's bright, right? So then we're going to give another base coat to this same red color. Meanwhile, we are painting first yellow color. Diwali is completely incomplete because of without a diya. So it has to be a part of every Diwali festival. We just add a lot of diyas to our house and make it more beautiful. We light a lot of diyas. So I hope this is going to help you make your diyas look much more beautiful. So now I'm just adding a little yellow color to this on the edges. So here you see I have given a double coat for yellow and red. So now we're going to start painting the green leaves. So I'm using a light green color. I think it's pretty bright color. So we're going to use in the light color. Again we need to give it twice the shading on this. Just try taking a very thin brush. Don't go with a very thick brush, otherwise the paint will get one top of the other. Now it's finally forming in the final shape, color. It's looking very beautiful, bright. I think you all will agree with me on this, that it's coming really beautiful. And green color is just adding a little more vibe, colorful vibe on this. So you can see this is almost going to be the final look for our diya. Just going to finish in the leaves now. So I have finished painting this diya with twice a coat with red, yellow and green. I hope this is looking extremely beautiful and very bright colors. So I think it's going to give us the right vibe for Diwali this year. So now we're going to just finish decorating this with all the Swarovski crystals which we have. So I'm using the 4 red color ones, the brighter ones and the bigger ones. You just need a scissors to cut out them. So because since they are strips, so you need to just cut them out and stick them on 4 corners of the diya. So I'm just using these 4 red color ones to stick on the corners. It's already looking bright now. giving that extra dangle of brightness. Right, so let's decorate it a little more. We have completed the swastika in the center using a yellow color. So I'm just going to place another red color Swarovski exactly in the center. I'm going to choose a small red one this time, just to place it in the center. So you see it's coming very nice and beautiful this time. Yes. So we can add a little more Swarovski. I'm going to add little strips of Swarovski in the center of the leaves. Whatever is extra, you can always cut it out. Yes, it's almost done. Just need one more strip to go. Yes. Then cut out the rest of the extra one. Just press it a little bit so it gets stick on the diya. And you can see it's coming very beautiful. Isn't it looking gorgeous? So, and bright. So let's make this together, and I hope you like this video. Wait for more videos. Thank you.